can run, even though it should be my fat ass running, but alkaline water for the dog. And then my dog. There's my dog. What is it? What is it? Don't do it. Don't do it. Let's get that off you. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. Smell it out. Go. I'm gonna send it over the bars through that big ass hole. Want a sausage snack? Sit down. Chill. Thank you. Shake my hand. Thank you. Give me 5. Give me 5. Thank you. Are you so tired? There you go. There you go. Gotta have some dirt on it. A little dirt never hurt. Get you some shade. You're a pretty dog. You're a pretty girl. Yes, you are. Have you had enough? Are you done for? Are you done for? You need your belly rubbed? You need your belly rubbed? Do you? Oh, yes. Yes, I need my belly rubbed. Let's load up. Load up. Good girl. Go rip around with P-Burn a little bit. Hopefully he waits up for me. Never like getting left in the dust. Right where the TPS sensor goes in at? On this back side here, there was fucking nothing. Like, it was fucking, it needed to be pushed out. And like there was no spring there. I fucking took mine apart and I stuck a fucking spring in there. And cause I felt it right about here, it was locking. I was like, what the fuck? And that's when I fucking wheelied over. Dude, hey, first gear, D, straight to my fucking ass, bud. Fuck my knee all up. It fucking, dude, I fucking tore something in here, dude. My asshole was fucking just dead tired.
Oh, just done?
And fuck yeah, get his ass.
Landed right on him.
Fuck yeah.
Should have stopped, but you know.
Because I want to say it followed that power line.
Man-Made's right. You would follow that power line and then you would turn right, and Man-Made's was right there.
Yeah. Established P-Burn's bike isn't no faster than mine, and mine's no faster than his. Except his suspension's way better than mine is. It feels like a Cadillac, where mine feels like a 2x4. So go from there. Good times. Clean air filter, take the seat off, air filter cleaner, little oil, 8mm.
Get the seat off. Air filter's right there. Air filter's not too dirty. Might as well clean it though. It's got this little wing nut down here. Take that wing nut loose and the air filter will come off there. Just like that, air filter's out. That's pretty dirty. Seen worse. Seen better for sure though too. Once you got it all clean, just let it air dry. Oil it, slap it back in, you're ready to go. As the air filter's nice and dry, oil it up. Worst part about working on dirt bikes, riding dirt bikes, doing air filters. Smear it all over. Smear it all in there. Keep it nice and good. Fucking retarded dogs. Tighten your wing nut back up. Like to reach around here all through the bottom, make sure it's snug, make sure there's nowhere dirt can get in, and you're ready to rock and roll.